So, doing rituals for the full moon tonight. And as you see, the turkey vultures are here. Hello, everybody. Hello, my beautiful vultures. Hello, hello. Vultures are just so beautiful. And as you see, they're circling around me, which represents they care about me. They consider me their flock. Hi, guys. Hello. Hi, Dee Dee. Aren't they beautiful? I literally have bonded with the turkey vultures, and it's an amazing bond between human and animal, well, wild birds. Most people don't get the chance to do this, and turkey vultures pick their humans. Have a great night. Thank you, guys. And also, they're helping me with the rituals for my Bestie brothers, law enforcement, friends, and family for protection and healing. Thank you. Thank you, guys. And as you see, the turkey vulture's heading over to the police officer station. So when the turkey vultures fly over the police stations, no matter where they're at, you are protected for healing too. They're so beautiful. Thank you, guys. You're so beautiful. My beautiful flock. I love you. Awesome. Hi, guys. Hi. Yeah, they get pretty close to me. It's beautiful. Hi, guys. Hi, babies. I love you all too. Even though Wolfie's being loud and like a baby pup he is, the turkey vultures still don't mind him. Hello, my beautiful vultures. Thank you for helping me protect my Bestie brothers, law enforcement, friends, and family. Aw. You guys are such sweethearts. They're so beautiful.